back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'll be showing you how to make this rose bracelet. To get started, I'm going to be using my tiger tail, good. Then I'm using my coral flower. This is what it looks like. Then I'm using my 6mm crystal, and I have my cutter to cut out any excess. So to get started, I'm going to be picking 7 of this. Seven 6mm with my tiger tail. So after picking it, this is what I have. I have the 7th one. So this is what I have here. Then I'm going to take my rose and pass the boat rope into it, just this way, like this. This is what it looks like now. Then I'm going to turn this over like this. I'm going to turn this over. Then I'm going to take one of the one on my right, and I'll pass it. I'm skipping this one, the one at the middle. I'm going to pass this through the 3 crystal on the right. Then I'll pull it. Then I'll take the other one, do the same to this 3 on this right. Remember, leaving the one at the middle. Then I'll pull. When I pull together, I have to pull very tightly. When I pull, I have it like this. Then the next thing, I'm going to take one and I'll do this crisscrossing. I'll crisscross with the 6mm. When I crisscross, I have it like this. Remember, you can use any size of rose you want. So this is what I have. The next thing now, for the second one, you just have to, coming out from here, I'm going to use my right hand and pick 3. I'll pick 3 crystal on my right. Then I'll do same with my left. Then I'll have it like this. I'm going to pass my tiger tail through this rose like this. Then when I turn it, remember, turning it is this way. I'm going to be careful as you do this. I'm going to pass my right tiger tail through this 3 on my right. Just the same thing we did with the first one. Also remember to pull as you're doing this. My right, then take the one on my left. Also pass it through the 3 on my left. Then I'll pull. When I pull, this is what the under looks like, and this is the front. Then when I pull, I'll take one, I'll crisscross with one. When I crisscross, I have it like this. So this is what I have, and I pull. So the next thing now, I'm going to pick 3. I'll do this again. I'll pick 3 on my right. Remember this step. 3 on my right, 3 on my left. Like this. Then take the rose. I'll pass my tiger tail through it. This is what I have now. So when I pull this to the back, so once I add this, this is what it will look like. Then I'll pull it this way. I'm taking my time so you understand this. Then I'll pull it this way. Take one. At this point, you don't bother whether it's the right or the left. Just pick one of the tiger tails. So you take this and pass it through this 3 crystal here. Then you pull tight. Take the next one, pass it through this 3. This other crystal. You pull tight. You have to pull very tight. So at this point, I'll crisscross with 1 crystal. So I have the 3rd one attached this way. Then the next thing, remember, I'm going to pick 3 on my right, 3 on my right, 3 on my left. Then I'll pass my tiger tail through this coral flower. Then I'll pull it. So I have something like this. This is what I have. So what I'll do now, I'll fold it down this way. Then I will turn it. Once I have it like this, I'm going to pull it down. And I'll pass my right tiger tail through this 3 here. The 3 on my right. The 3 on my right. Then I'll pass the left one through this 3 on my left hand. after which I will pull tight. Once I pull, I have it like this. And I'm going to crisscross with 1/6 mm. Then I pull it tight. Once I pull it, I'll have this. So if you're making a necklace with it or a bracelet, continue with this same pattern. Go ahead and make yours. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, comment if you have any question or concern. And if it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so for more interesting videos. Share my videos, like them. See you next time. Bye bye.